Eyewitnesses are sparking fresh intrigue around the Hollow Earth theory after sharing bizarre experiences in a 2023 online discussion. Participants described strange events like drilling equipment mysteriously halting at certain depths, and engineers unable to explain the sudden limits they encountered underground. These accounts, though not first-hand journeys to the planet's core, are packed with vivid details that hint at something unusual beneath the Earth's surface. Some discuss unexplained noises, odd temperature shifts, and a sense that there's more beneath the crust than science currently acknowledges. Speculation quickly turned to the existence of hidden subterranean zones, with some suggesting these could be vast, uncharted spaces untouched by human exploration. The idea of secret realms deep underfoot has long captivated the public imagination, and these new stories are adding fuel to the fire. Despite skepticism from geologists, the ongoing fascination shows no sign of fading, as more people come forward with their own strange underground encounters and questions about what might really lie below our feet.